Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So in today's video, I'm going to make two different foil holiday gift tags. But before we get started, if you aren't already a subscriber, make sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any of my videos. So let's get started. First, you open Cricut Design Space and you'll want to click on New. I already have the gift tag templates that I'm going to use, and I found these two images that I'm going to use. So let me show you from there what we do when we want to foil. Okay, first we're going to select the image, and I'm going to use a silver foil. So this color is, I put it on silver. Then you want to click on the cut and switch it to foil. And there's three different types of foil. There's fine, medium, and bold. I'm going to try bold. So let me go ahead and switch that. And then it looks like I have to change the color again. So silver. Okay. Then I'm going to select that and click on attach. And then we're going to do the same thing with the other gift card. We are going to go ahead and switch it to foil. I'm going to pick bold, and then I'm going to change the color to green, and then I'm going to go ahead and select all of it and hit attach, and then we'll go ahead and hit make it. Okay, so before I print, I'm going to go ahead and take the gift tag and kind of just slide it over. I'm going to put it right here at 3. And the reason being is because you have to tape the foil, and I just want to make sure that I leave enough room to do so. Okay, so let's go ahead and hit continue. Next, I'm going to go ahead and browse all material, and I'm going to use medium cardstock. I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to hit done. And then we're ready to load the mat. Okay, so I loaded the mat, and I'm going to use a brayer just to kind of make sure that it's adhered to the Cricut mat. And then next, let me grab the foil that we're going to use. We're going to use green. Okay, so remember that my card, I said I put it at 3. So I'm just going to make sure that this foil is somewhere around there. Okay, so now let's go ahead. We have to tape it. Okay. And tape it. And you want to make sure that it's, you just want to kind of make sure it's not loose. Now we're going to load the mat. Okay, so this is the foil adapter, and these are the 3 that you would choose. So you have, can you see these? You have fine, and then medium, and bold. So I'm going to go ahead and take the bold, and I'm going to put it in here. Can you see that? Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and put that in the mat. Load it up there and hit Cricut. Let's get started. Okay, the next step is just finished doing the foil. The Cricut will pop up a notice that says, very important, you go ahead and you remove the foil, but you do not take this off the mat. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll continue. Okay, and now I just switched the tool to fine, the regular fine tool. And we're going to go ahead and cut this. Okay, and we'll go ahead and take it off the mat. Ooh, that looks really cute. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and load the mat, and we're going to do the next one, and then we'll be right back. Cute. I think it looks great. Tell me what you guys think, and I'd love to hear your comments. And as always, thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Thanks. Bye.